Welcome to Family Cooking. Let's prepare chicken curry and chicken fry. Before we continue, don't forget to hit that like button. Also, subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell icon and you get 10 years of good luck. Right, it works. Firstly, let's marinate the chicken for around half an hour. I have taken 750 grams chicken. To this, add in 2 teaspoons ginger garlic paste, and salt to taste. I'm keeping aside leg pieces for frying.
Add 2 tablespoons yogurt into the remaining chicken pieces. Mix them well and keep it in the fridge for about 30 minutes. Now let's make the main ingredient, the green paste. So in a grinder, add in a coriander leaves, few curry leaves, green chilies, I'm using around 6 to 7, mint leaves, half a teaspoon ginger paste, and salt to taste. Add water as required for grinding. This is the correct consistency. Now add half lemon juice to it. Now let's marinate the chicken leg pieces with the green paste and keep it in the fridge. Let's keep aside in the fridge for 20 minutes. Heat the pan. Add 3 tablespoons oil. Once oil is heated, add the cumin seeds. Let them splutter. Then add 2 sliced onions and 3 cloves of chopped garlic. Saute them well. Now add in 2 tablespoons grated coconut and saute well. Add in half teaspoon salt, once sauteed well, add in 1/4 teaspoon garam masala, half teaspoon coriander powder, and half teaspoon chicken masala. After frying a bit, add in half chopped tomato, add water gradually to make it a paste. Now add in the green paste. Mix them well.
Some special chicken. Yummy, yummy. You like spicy chicken?
No, Daddy. I think. Wow. I think I saw some something.
Yeah, can you smell nice?
Add in the marinated chicken. Once mixed, cover and cook for 20 minutes in low flame. Meanwhile, let's fry the chicken. Heat oil in a pan and fry the chicken in low flame. It's been 20 minutes. Let's check the chicken curry. It looks perfect and I can smell the aroma. The chicken is all ready. Let's serve it on the serving plate.
Chicken colorful.
Yeah, do you want to take a bite?
Mmm.
If you like my video, please do press the red button that says subscribe and also the bell icon so that you would be notified with all our new videos. And don't forget to post your reviews in our comment section. Thank you.